Okay, this is the first of what might be several lectures on Freud, but this is the most basic one that you need to understand before you can understand anything else about Freud. Freud's theory is called psychodynamics. Psycho just is a way to refer to our inner life, and dynamics means that our inner life is not stationary. It goes back and forth between feeling good, thinking, acting, and all those things, okay? So you might have seen this drawing in some of the books, so I'm going to do something similar, okay? First of all, you see something that resembles an island in most of the drawings about Freud. An island is partly above water and partly underneath water. Everything underneath the water for Freud is unconscious. Everything above is conscious. Okay? Now, there's three structures to our personality. I know you only see two right now, but hang on. There's three structures to our personality. In the unconscious is a thing called the id. It has all of our feelings, okay? All of our dreams. But dreams also can be things like images. Okay? All of our energy. E-N-E-R-G, sorry. E-N-E-R-G-Y. I'm just testing here to see if this will work. Feelings, dreams, images, energy. It only wants to feel good. Okay? Now, that's all in the unconscious, so we can't look down there and know what's going on. Then you come up above water, we have a thing called the ego, and the ego is only interested in facts and decisions. Okay? Because if the id, being like a child, can only feel, dream, have energy, and stuff like that, it can't really navigate the world. So something has to be above water in the conscious mind. That's the ego. And so the ego knows facts, like where to find things and what to do and, you know, how to stay away from danger and stuff like that, and how to make decisions, what's right and what's wrong. But it gets the right and wrong from the other structure that is kind of odd. It's called superego. And the superego is all about rules. Now, rules are you? Sorry, I'm trying to talk and write at the same time. Superego is all about rules. Where do we get rules from? Well, we get them from our family history, our culture, religion, the law of the land and the country that you live in. Rules come from all over the place, okay? But some of those rules are in our conscious mind, like stop at a red light. Some of our rules are unconscious, like always be a good person. You know, we always want to be a good person, but we aren't, and we're not always thinking about being a good person, okay? So superego has rules that are conscious and rules that are unconscious, all right? That's the most basic thing about Freud that you need to know. Everything else follows from there. So rather than make this one long lecture, I'm going to cut it here, and then I'm going to go to the next important thing to do with psychodynamics is how do defense mechanisms work, okay? So you can either take a break or you can go on to the next lecture, but this is part of the week on Freud.